Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Google Pay, open the app, and confirm you're signed into the same Google account tied to Jio Cinema. Once done, go to your profile and choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is where recurring charges live. You're starting at the Payments hub so you can find subscriptions quickly. This saves time versus digging through settings inside Jio Cinema. Make sure notifications and internet are enabled so the app shows current subscriptions and billing sources before you proceed to manage the Jio Cinema Autopay entry. Next, scroll to Subscriptions or Recurring Payments and locate Jio Cinema in the list. If you have multiple services, use the search bar to speed this up. Tap the Jio Cinema entry to view billing details, next charge date, and payment method. You need that context to decide whether to pause or cancel. Once you've reviewed billing, select Manage Subscription. This exposes the Autopay toggle or cancellation button. You're in control here, so read the confirmation prompts to understand refund or access implications before proceeding. Finally, toggle off Autopay or choose Cancel Subscription and follow on-screen confirmations to stop future charges. You'll often see an effective date or last billed day, so note it. After confirming, return to Subscriptions to verify Jio Cinema no longer shows an active Autopay status and check your linked email for a cancellation receipt. If the subscription still appears active, force close the app, sign out and back in, then refresh. Troubleshooting tip: if status won't update, contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.